Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic: how to boost your iron levels quickly and effectively. Iron is essential for our bodies to function properly. It helps carry oxygen throughout our system, supports our energy levels, and even plays a role in a healthy immune system. Now, many people struggle with low iron levels, which can lead to fatigue, weakness, and other health issues. But don't worry, there are natural and effective ways to give your iron levels a boost. In this video, we'll explore 7 proven strategies to help you increase your iron intake and absorption. We'll cover everything from dietary changes to lifestyle tips, so you can start feeling your best again. Let's get started. One of the most effective ways to boost your iron levels is by eating iron-rich foods. Think of your diet as your first line of defense against iron deficiency. First up, we've got our iron-rich champions, red meat, especially lean cuts like sirloin and beef tenderloin. These are your heavy hitters when it comes to iron. Next, we have our plant-based powerhouses, spinach, lentils, beans. Don't let their size fool you, they're packed with iron. And let's not forget our breakfast champions, fortified cereals. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with iron, making your morning meal a great opportunity to boost your intake. While getting iron from food is ideal, sometimes it's not enough, and that's where iron supplements come in. These can be super helpful in replenishing your iron stores. But hold on. Before you run to the store and grab the first iron supplement you see, it's crucial to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can assess your iron levels, determine the right dosage for you, and recommend the best type of supplement based on your individual needs. Remember, more isn't always better, especially when it comes to iron. Taking too much can lead to unpleasant side effects like constipation or upset stomach, so always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. This next tip is a fun one. Did you know that cooking with cast iron cookware can actually increase the iron content of your meals? It's true. When you cook food in a cast iron skillet or pot, especially acidic foods like tomato sauce, some of the iron from the pan leaches into your food. It's a simple yet effective way to sneak in a little extra iron without even realizing it. Plus, cast iron cookware can last a lifetime if properly cared for. Talk about a win-win. So, dust off those cast iron pans and get cooking. Your taste buds and your iron levels will thank you. While we're busy boosting our iron intake, it's equally important to be mindful of things that can hinder iron absorption. And I'm not just talking about foods. Certain substances like caffeine and calcium can actually interfere with how well our bodies absorb iron. Now, I'm not saying you need to ditch your morning coffee or give up dairy altogether. The key here is timing. Avoid consuming large amounts of caffeine or calcium-rich foods or drinks right before, during, or immediately after an iron-rich meal. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in maximizing your iron absorption and getting the most out of your diet. We've talked about foods to eat and things to avoid, but did you know that certain nutrients can actually enhance iron absorption? And one of the most powerful iron boosters is vitamin C. Vitamin C acts like a magnet, helping your body grab onto iron and absorb it more efficiently. It's like a superhero sidekick for iron absorption. The good news is that there are tons of delicious ways to incorporate vitamin C into your diet. Think citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and leafy greens. Try squeezing some lemon juice over your spinach salad or enjoying a side of berries with your breakfast cereal for an extra vitamin C kick. When it comes to your health, knowledge is power. That's why it's essential to monitor your iron levels regularly, especially if you're experiencing symptoms of iron deficiency. A simple blood test can tell you where your iron levels stand and help you and your doctor create a plan to address any deficiencies. Think of it like checking your car's oil. Regular checkups can prevent bigger problems down the road. Based on your blood test results, your doctor might recommend dietary changes, iron supplements, or further investigation to pinpoint the cause of your low iron levels. You've heard it a million times, but staying hydrated is crucial for countless bodily functions, and that includes iron absorption. Water helps transport nutrients throughout your body, including iron. When you're dehydrated, your body's systems don't function as efficiently, which can impact nutrient absorption. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You know the drill. Carry a reusable water bottle with you, sip on water between meals, and listen to your body's thirst cues. Proper hydration supports overall health and can contribute to optimal iron absorption. It's one of the simplest yet most important things you can do for your well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time. Remember, these tips can help you boost your iron levels, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. They can provide tailored recommendations based on your individual health needs and help you achieve and maintain healthy iron levels. Take care of yourselves and stay tuned for more videos on how to live your healthiest life.